5 Vital Vaginal Care Tips. Every woman over 60 should know. Hello and welcome. I want to begin by acknowledging something truly special about you, the strength and wisdom you carry as a woman over 60. Each year you've lived has brought with it a wealth of experiences, lessons, and stories that shape who you are today. And that is something to celebrate. As women, we often spend much of our lives caring for others, our children, our partners, our families, and our communities. But now, it's time to turn that care and attention inward. Aging is not something to be feared, nor is it something to shy away from. It is a natural, beautiful part of life, and it brings with it a deep sense of wisdom and perspective. Now is the time to embrace this chapter with grace, love, and self-respect. And part of embracing aging is recognizing that your health, your entire well-being, deserves to be prioritized. This includes something that is often overlooked or not talked about enough: vaginal health. It might not be a topic you feel comfortable discussing, but I assure you it is just as important as any other part of your body. Vaginal health plays a huge role in your overall comfort, confidence, and quality of life, and it's time to give it the attention it truly deserves. As you age, your body goes through natural changes. Hormonal shifts, particularly the decrease in estrogen after menopause, can affect the vaginal area. You might notice changes like dryness, irritation, or even discomfort during intimacy. These changes are completely natural, but that doesn't mean you should have to live with them or suffer in silence. This guide is here to help you understand the changes you're experiencing and, more importantly, offer solutions that will help you feel comfortable, empowered, and confident. You deserve to live without discomfort, to continue enjoying your life to the fullest, and to feel at ease in your own body. In this video, we'll talk about 5 vital vaginal care tips that every woman over 60 should know. These tips will help you manage changes in a way that works for your body, allowing you to embrace aging with dignity and confidence. It's time to prioritize your health because you deserve to feel good at every stage of life. So let's embark on this journey together with the understanding that caring for your body is an act of self-love. Embrace these changes, take control of your health, and most importantly, know that you are worthy of living your life with comfort and confidence. Tip 1. Understanding vaginal changes after 60. The role of hormones. 3 minutes. As we enter our 60s and beyond, it's important to understand that the changes our bodies go through are not only natural, they are also a reflection of the life we've lived, the experiences we've gained, and the wisdom we've accumulated. One of the most significant changes happens in our hormone levels, particularly estrogen, which plays a key role in maintaining the health and function of our vaginal tissues. For many women, the years after menopause bring about a decrease in estrogen levels, and this is when you may begin to notice changes in the vaginal area. Vaginal dryness, a feeling of tightness or less elasticity, can occur as a result of lower estrogen levels. These changes can sometimes make you feel uncomfortable, both physically and emotionally. It can even affect your intimate relationships and your self-confidence. But I want you to know, these changes are completely normal and part of the aging process. Just because they happen doesn't mean your body is failing, nor does it mean you have to live with discomfort. It's simply a natural part of aging, and with the right care, you can manage these changes to feel comfortable and confident again. Vaginal dryness is one of the most common issues women face after menopause. Without sufficient moisture, the vaginal tissues can become dry and more fragile. This may lead to irritation, itching, or even discomfort during intimacy. However, understanding this change is the first step toward addressing it with compassion and care. It's important to recognize that these changes don't define you. They are simply a part of your body's natural evolution. Understanding the hormonal shifts and how they affect your vaginal health can help you take control of your well-being. And that's where proper care comes in. There are plenty of solutions available that can help restore moisture, maintain comfort, and allow you to continue feeling vibrant and confident. Rather than seeing this as something to be ashamed of, I encourage you to embrace it. These are the moments when you can listen to your body, honor its needs, and treat it with the care it deserves. The more you understand the changes, the more empowered you become to address them with the right strategies, products, and support. You deserve to feel at ease with your body at every stage of life, and knowing what's happening, why it's happening, helps you take the necessary steps to feel confident, comfortable, and in control. Tip 2. Proper vaginal hygiene. Keeping the area clean and healthy. 4 minutes. Now that we understand the hormonal changes affecting vaginal health, let's talk about the simplest yet most important thing you can do to support your body. Proper hygiene. Vaginal hygiene is not just about cleanliness, it's about maintaining comfort, preventing infections, and respecting your body. As we age, maintaining good hygiene in this delicate area becomes even more crucial. With the changes in hormone levels, it's easy to feel like things are shifting, but gentle care is the key to staying comfortable. It's important to remember that the vagina is self-cleaning, and the most effective way to care for it is to support its natural processes. Over-cleansing or using harsh products can disrupt its natural balance, causing irritation or even infection. Your body has its own way of keeping things clean, and it's important not to interfere with that. So let's start with the basics. Always opt for warm water and a mild, fragrance-free soap or cleanser. These gentle products won't strip away the natural oils or disrupt the pH balance that your vagina needs to stay healthy. If you're tempted to use douches, I want to emphasize that it's best to avoid them. Douching can upset the natural bacteria and pH levels in the vaginal area, which can lead to more harm than good. Instead, a quick rinse with water is all you need to keep things fresh and clean. If you're experiencing vaginal dryness or irritation, it's important to be mindful of the products you choose. Avoid those with artificial scents, dyes, or chemicals, as they can be harsh on sensitive skin. For women over 60, this can be especially important because as estrogen levels decrease, the vaginal tissues become thinner and more sensitive. Gentle care, free from irritants, is key to ensuring that your vaginal area remains comfortable and healthy. The more you take the time to choose the right products, the more you'll protect this part of your body from discomfort and infections. I want to stress that vaginal hygiene isn't just about physical cleanliness. It's about creating a sense of comfort and respect for your body. Taking the time to care for this intimate area is a way of honoring yourself. It's a simple but powerful act of self-love that helps you feel good in your own skin. The act of gentleness is as important as the physical care. It's a way of saying, I respect my body and I'm choosing to take care of it. Remember, proper hygiene can prevent irritation and infections, helping you feel at ease every day. By prioritizing simple, gentle care, you're taking control of your health and your comfort. It's about feeling good in your body and making choices that keep you confident and comfortable at every stage of life. Your body is a reflection of all you've experienced, and it deserves care, respect, and love. Tip 3. Maintaining vaginal moisture. Products that help restore comfort. 4 minutes. One of the most common changes women experience after menopause is vaginal dryness. It's a natural part of aging due to the decrease in estrogen, but that doesn't mean you should have to live with discomfort. Vaginal dryness can affect your daily comfort, intimacy, and overall well-being, and it's important to understand that there are simple, effective solutions to manage it. First, I want to remind you that this is not something to feel embarrassed about. Many women experience vaginal dryness, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. It's simply a part of the aging process, and it's something that can be managed with the right products and care. One of the most effective solutions is using vaginal moisturizers. These are specifically designed to help restore moisture to the vaginal tissues, providing relief from dryness, irritation, and discomfort. Vaginal moisturizers can be applied regularly to maintain hydration and improve comfort throughout the day. They are typically mild, gentle, and free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for long-term use. Unlike lubricants that are used during intimate moments, moisturizers are meant to be applied daily to keep your vaginal tissues hydrated and healthy. When it comes to intimacy, using lubricants can also provide much-needed comfort. Water-based lubricants are ideal because they mimic the body's natural moisture without causing irritation. These lubricants can reduce friction during intimacy, making the experience more enjoyable and less painful. It's essential to choose products that are free from fragrances, parabens, and other harsh ingredients, as these can irritate sensitive skin. In addition to moisturizers and lubricants, there are also products containing low doses of estrogen that can be prescribed by your doctor to help restore moisture and elasticity in the vaginal tissues. These treatments can be incredibly effective in improving comfort and restoring the vaginal area's natural health. If you're considering estrogen-based treatments, it's important to speak with your doctor to understand what's best for your specific needs. By incorporating these products into your routine, you're making a choice to prioritize your comfort and well-being. You're taking control of your health, empowering yourself to live without discomfort or frustration. You don't have to endure vaginal dryness. You deserve to feel comfortable in your own body, and these products are here to help you achieve that. It's important to remember that these products are not about fixing something that's broken. They're about supporting your body and making sure you feel good in your skin. Vaginal moisture is just one aspect of your overall health, but when it's taken care of, it can make a huge difference in how you feel day to day. Whether it's preventing discomfort or enhancing your intimate experiences, taking the time to use the right products is an act of self-respect and self-love. Tip 4. Pelvic floor health. The importance of Kegel exercises. As we move through life, our bodies go through incredible changes, and one area that often gets overlooked is the pelvic floor. These muscles, which support the bladder, uterus, and rectum, are essential to maintaining a healthy, active lifestyle. As we age, and especially after menopause, the pelvic floor muscles can weaken. This can lead to urinary incontinence, vaginal prolapse, and even discomfort during intimacy. But the good news is that you have the power to take control of this area with a simple and incredibly effective tool: Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises are an easy way to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, and they can be done anywhere, anytime. They are named after Dr. Arnold Kegel, who developed these exercises to help women strengthen their pelvic muscles, improve bladder control, and prevent prolapse. These exercises help improve muscle tone, promote circulation, and support the pelvic organs, which are vital for both physical comfort and sexual health. To do a Kegel exercise, start by locating the muscles you use to stop the flow of urine. These are the muscles you want to target. Gently tighten and lift those muscles, hold for about 5 seconds, and then release. Try to do this in sets of 10 repetitions 3 times a day. If you're just starting out, don't worry if you can't hold for 5 seconds right away. Start with what's comfortable and gradually work up as you build strength. The beauty of Kegel exercises is that they require no special equipment, no invasive treatments, and can be done in the comfort of your own home. It's a small commitment each day that yields powerful results. Over time, you'll notice improvements in bladder control, reduced risk of prolapse, and a more toned pelvic floor. But the benefits don't stop there. Strengthening the pelvic floor also has a positive impact on your intimate health. Kegel exercises increase blood flow to the vaginal area, which can improve sensitivity, enhance sexual enjoyment, and even make intimacy more comfortable. They also help you feel more in control of your body, which is such an empowering feeling, especially as we age. These exercises are not just for when you experience problems, they are preventative. Strengthening your pelvic floor now means fewer issues later on. And if you've already noticed some changes, Kegels are a powerful way to improve your health and comfort. The key is consistency. Just like any muscle in your body, your pelvic floor muscles need regular exercise to stay strong and healthy. By taking the time each day to do Kegel exercises, you're giving your body the gift of strength, control, and confidence. It's an act of self-love and self-care, and it's a reminder that you are in control of your health at every stage of life. Remember, these exercises are simple, but their impact is profound. With Kegel exercises, you are strengthening not just your pelvic floor, but also your sense of confidence and empowerment. Your body is resilient, and with a little daily effort, you can see tip 5, mental and emotional health. The connection between mind and body. As we focus on our physical health, it's crucial to remember that our emotional and mental health play an equally important role in our well-being. It's easy to think of health in terms of physical changes, what we eat, how we exercise, how we care for our bodies. But the connection between our mind and body is profound. When we care for our mental health, we positively impact our physical health, including our vaginal health. Stress, anxiety, and feelings of loneliness can have a significant impact on our body. They can affect our hormone levels, disrupt sleep, and even contribute to issues like vaginal dryness or discomfort during intimacy. When we feel emotionally overwhelmed, our body often responds with physical symptoms, which is why taking care of our mental health is so important. The first step in nurturing your mental health is acknowledging it. It's okay to not feel okay all the time. It's normal to experience a range of emotions as you age, whether it's the changes in your body, shifts in your personal life, or the natural feelings that come with growing older. The key is to allow yourself to feel and seek support when needed. Whether it's talking to a therapist, connecting with loved ones, or finding ways to manage stress, addressing your emotional well-being is vital. One powerful way to nurture mental health is through mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Meditation, deep breathing, and even simple moments of quiet reflection can help reduce stress and promote emotional balance. Taking time for yourself, whether it's a walk in nature, reading a book, or simply sitting in stillness, allows you to reset and feel more centered. These small acts of self-care have a profound impact on your mental and physical health. And don't forget about communication, especially when it comes to your relationships. Intimacy is a natural part of life, and it's okay to discuss changes with your partner. Open, honest communication about your emotional and physical needs can strengthen your relationship and reduce feelings of anxiety or isolation. Whether it's about vaginal health, intimacy, or just how you're feeling, talking about it can help you feel more understood and supported. You are worthy of emotional support, and seeking it is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength. The more you prioritize your mental health, the more balanced, healthy, and confident you will feel in your body. Your emotional well-being directly impacts how you experience life physically, and taking care of yourself mentally is just as important as any other self-care routine. Remember, mental health isn't just about feeling good. It's about feeling at peace with yourself, embracing your body and its changes with love, and knowing that you are worthy of care and support. By nurturing your mind, you're giving yourself the ability to live fully, joyfully, and with the comfort and confidence you deserve. As we come to the end of this guide, I want to remind you of one powerful truth. Your health is in your hands. The tips we've discussed today are tools you can use to take charge of your vaginal health, to feel more comfortable, and to live with confidence. You've walked through this stage of life with grace, strength, and wisdom, and you deserve to continue doing so with a sense of ease and empowerment. Taking care of your vaginal health is not just about managing symptoms. It's about embracing your body as it changes, honoring its needs, and making the choices that allow you to live your best life. Whether it's maintaining good hygiene, using products to restore moisture, strengthening your pelvic floor, or prioritizing your mental health, each step you take is a reflection of self-love and self-respect. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Many women face similar challenges, but there are solutions and there is support. By understanding what's happening in your body and addressing these changes with compassion, you can continue to thrive, feel comfortable in your skin, and enjoy the things that matter most in life. You are in control, and you have the power to make choices that support your health and well-being at every stage of life. As you move forward, embrace these changes with confidence. You've earned it. You are strong, you are capable, and you deserve to feel your best, inside and out. Prioritizing your vaginal health is not just about physical comfort, it's about ensuring that you continue to live a fulfilling, vibrant, and joyful life. You are worthy of all the care and love you give to others, and now is the time to give it to yourself.